I am here to make a demonstration on how to take precautions of blood culture sampling. Okay? So this is our materials, okay? Our paraphernalia to be used before we will take our blood sample. So you have to prepare it first. So this are the, okay? So speak up. Okay. So those are the things we need. Okay. So perform first. What we will do? Perform hand hygiene. Okay. So hand wash or alcohol hand rub. Next step, remove bottle caps, okay, and disinfect. So, the surface of blood culture bottle, okay, separate 70% alcohol wipe, okay, so this is our alcohol wipes, okay. So, again, never wipe the bottle with iodine, but we have to disinfect. Okay, the cups, the bottle cups with the alcohol swab. Next, determine the site of venipuncture vein. Okay.
Your demo.
Okay, you're the model. So he is our dummy for today. Thank you. So we have to determine the site of venipuncture. So we have first, determine the site and disinfect the skin. Okay, so first of course, I have to use my PPE, which is the gloves. So it doesn't matter if you will use the ordinary gloves or the sterile gloves. Okay, so we have to determine the puncture site. So I know already where I will puncture. Okay, we have to use the median cubital vein, right? Okay. And then disinfect the skin. Okay, we have to disinfect the area to be punctured. Okay, so disinfect by swabbing. Disinfect the skin by swabbing concentrically. Okay, we have to use first. So this already dried up. Okay, so now we have to disinfect the skin by swabbing concentrically in a circular motion using the 70% alcohol, okay? Concentrically, okay? So, I have to determine the site, okay? So, this is the median cubital vein. Concentrically from the inner to the outer part, okay? So, that's it. Okay, and let it dry. And then, disinfect again the skin by swabbing concentrically again with the betadine swab. Okay, from inner, okay. And then, wait for some time, like 1 to 2 minutes, okay. Allow the site to dry, okay. So, next step. So, you have to be cautious in terms of swabbing, okay, to cover approximately 10 to centimeters for 30 seconds. It must be 30 seconds, okay? So, allow the site to dry completely for 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Wipe again with 70% alcohol, okay? Okay, like that. Okay. And then, let it dry again. And please do not touch the prepared skin after disinfection. Okay, so for example, we have the maximum blood volume can be 1 to 5 ml, especially if the patient is hard vein. So if you can obtain only like 1 to 3 ml, it is acceptable. Okay, especially in the for children, it's so hard to take the blood, or maybe the patients really have a hard vein, so you can take only like 5 ml and segregate 2.5 ml each bottle. Okay, so this is how you will tie the tourniquet. Okay. Okay, and we will use the needle. Okay, so I didn't touch the site. Okay. Don't touch the disinfected part, punctured site. Okay, and this is it. And then leave it like that. Let him suffer. Joke. Okay, so it's okay. You can do that. Okay, immediately. Okay, transfer. No need to change the needle because you might contaminate also the needle itself. Okay, this is like 2.5 because the maximum volume is 5 ml. So I will make it half-half. So you have to calculate the volume, of course. Okay. Take care not to puncture yourself. Okay. No need to change the needle. It will take time. Okay? Because it's already from that patient. So,
sterile ang katawan.
oh, exactly. I love you, baby. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, so done. Diba? Ano pa ba? Ay, sorry. So, recap. Fish method. Ano ba yun? Fish method. So, take care of your patient first. Okay, put the plaster. So, okay. Ah, yeah, we will mix it later. No problem. Because okay, you have to mix this sample, okay? After taking the blood from the patient, you have to mix it gently. Like 8 times, okay? And keep the sample in a room temperature and transport it to the lab. Okay? So no need. It's okay. The bacteria or the virus will not come inside because it is rubberized. Okay? Yeah, no need to close it. And no need to close it, okay? And be cautious also for the identification of the patient. That's most important thing, okay? Don't put the tag here on this part because this is very important to the lab. The barcode part. You have to put here, no problem. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for bearing with me. And may God bless us all. Thank you so much. Mabuhay.